am E. Krishna Rao Patro. Today we will discuss about one important concept, that is HashSet. HashSet is also one of the important class in the collection framework. So whenever you want to store a group of data in one place without duplicate, that time you can use HashSet. So this HashSet, how to use and where I should use, those things we'll discuss now. And what are the various types of methods available in the HashSet class. Before that, let me have the important points related to HashSet. A HashSet is a collection of items where every item is a unique. So this is the important point you should know. Even in the case of list 2, you can store a lot of items, but there is a chance of duplicates. Duplicates are allowed in list, whereas in the case of HashSet, there is no duplicates. It is found in a separate package called util package. All collection related classes comes under util package. The elements are stored by the HashSet class using hashing mechanism. So internally, it uses a special mechanism to store the data. That is your hashing mechanism. Only unique elements are allowed by the HashSet class. If at all you are trying to store any duplicate data, it will ignore. It will not store. Null values are also allowed in the HashSet class. That means first time only one null value is allowed in the HashSet. It is non-synchronized. That means it is not thread safe. So whenever you want to have a thread safe, then it is not allowed. Whenever you want to have thread safe, then you should do synchronize method and do. So directly it is not thread safe. The elements of the HashSet class are inserted based upon their hash code. So whenever you are inserting an element in the HashSet, it will maintain with their hash code. Internally, it maintains a separate code called hash code. Thus, this class does not maintain the insertion order. The order in which you have inserted, in that order it will not store. It will be stored in different location with the hash code. It performs best in search operation. So, whenever you want to search something, then in that case, this HashSet plays best. So, using HashSet, you can do search operation in a better way. The initial default capacity of the HashSet is 16. That means maximum 16 elements can be stored in the HashSet. Whenever it exceeds, then it will try to go for again reallocation, means extra allocation, because this also comes under one type of dynamic array. This HashSet also one type of dynamic array, and its load factor is 0.75. That means up to 75% it will try to store the data. Whenever it exceeds 75% of its load, then it will allocate extra memory. So that means always it will check what is the total capacity and what is the current strength. If the current strength is 75%, then it will try to allocate extra memory so that you can comfortably add the element into the set. You can see the hierarchy of the HashSet class. Remember, the collection is what? It is an interface. This interface supports set of methods. That interface method is extended by set class. So this is also an interface. That means these are the interfaces provides basic methods, required methods. Those methods will be implemented in the HashSet class. So this is the class name. So my HashSet class internally implements set interface as well as the set interface already derived from collection interface. So all the methods of set as well as collections are implemented in the HashSet class. So today we will be using the HashSet class. And remember, this is a special class available under util package. Which package? Util package. And it will not allow duplicate. No duplicates allowed. No duplicate allowed. And it is also generic one. You can store the data in a generic form. That means any kind of data can be stored. It is not particular to only integer type or float type or double type. So I can have a string type, I can have float type, generic. So internally it maintains using class template. Now we will see a small program how the HashSet is used. Remember, the HashSet I told you, it will allow you to store any kind of data and it is a generic form. It is a generic form. Now to add an item to the HashSet, there is a special method called add method. This method will allow you to store the data into the HashSet. So whenever you want to store hash data, first of all you have to specify what type of data you want to store. Assume I want to store string type. So mention the string here, HashSet, string, cache, new HashSet. This is the memory allocation for the HashSet. Name of the set is cache. So cache is my name of the set. Here I am adding Volvo, BMW, Ford. Now first time I have stored what? Volvo. So Volvo is stored. Then next BMW is stored. And then next Ford is stored. And remember, it is not following any indexing. I told you internally it maintains a separate code called hash code. Based on the hash code location, it will go there. So it is not following any indexing and all. So you do not know where exactly stored, whether Volvo is here or here. Simply for the namesake I wrote here, but I do not know the exact location. Now when I am storing BMW, it is rejecting. Why? Because BMW is already available. So whenever you are trying to store second time, this will not store. Not stored again. Okay. Similarly again, I am storing Mazda. So Mazda is not there, automatically Mazda will be stored. If the element is new, if it is not seen, then it will add. If it is already available, it will reject. So now when I ask to print, it will print the list of names, but not in the same order, maybe in different order also. Because the insertion order is not same while displaying. So this part you should know. So what type of output will come, that will vary from system to system also. Now see how you can store the data in a descending order. That means you want to display the data in a descending order or ascending order. In that case, you should use one more special privileged class called tree set. The tree set is a special set which is also implementing the methods of set interface. In addition to that, it provides a special method to store the data in an order. That means internally it uses one type of searching tree, binary search tree type. So based on the data, it will arrange. So it will maintain like a tree. In the tree, the data will be there. So that's why the tree set is a class which is going to store string type data. So I want to display the data in the reverse order. So as per the name is concerned, names are what string type. But I want to display in a reverse order. For example, here I am having apple, banana, orange, kiwi, grape. Now there are different varieties of fruits are there. Now these fruits I want to display in the reverse order. That means in alphabetic orders but reverse. So for that, whenever you want to have reverse order, then while constructing the tree set, you should pass on one separate method called reverse method with comparing. So internally, it will compare its data with the incoming data. Existing data, what data is there, and incoming data, it will compare and rearrange. So that you will get the data in a order. Apple, banana, orange. Now when I want to print, you can print one by one. So reverse set is my name of the tree set. I am internally comparing. Now based upon what I am comparing, based on the length of the fruit. Here apple is there, banana is there, orange is there, kiwi is there, grape is there. So here what is the length of the banana? That length means what? The number of alphabet. For banana the length is 7. For apple the length is 5. And for orange the length is 6. And for kiwi length is 4. For grape length is 5. So you want to display based upon the length. So first banana, because in a descending order, first banana will come because its length is first 7, then 6 orange will come, then next 7, 6, then 5, first 5 whichever apple will come, then grape, then kiwi, So this way it is displayed. It is not alphabetical order, it is displaying based upon the length. So my comparing function is comparing with the length of the item or length of the string. Based upon the length, it is arranging. It is not alphabetical, it is length of the string. Because here we given the length function. String is my class, length is my function, which is calculating length of the given item and it's comparing the items and arranging. Now here you have given what reverse. Reverse means descending order. If you remove this reverse function, then you will get in the reverse order. That means what? First kiwi, then grape, then apple, then orange, then banana. So the descending order data will be printed in this way. So now whenever you want to have the item in a ordered pattern, then always use tree set. So tree set is a special class which is also stores on unique elements. This also stores unique element with the ordered. It will store in a either ascending order or descending order. The which way you have given. Is it clear? So this is a special class of set. Similarly, there are what are the various methods are there under the set. You know, if you want to check whether the item already exists in the set or not, for that you can use a method called contains. The contains method, it will check whether this item available in the set or not. If it is available, returns true, otherwise returns false. So I will say that my cars is a set. Cars contains Mazda. If it is available, true, otherwise returns false. Similarly, sometimes you may ask to remove that item. So you can use the remove method. If it is available, remove, else nothing. So you can write like cars dot remove Volvo. So Volvo will be removed if it is available. Similarly, to remove all items, sometimes you may say that all items has to remove at a time. Then you can use clear method. If you say clear, then the entire elements of the cars will be removed. And to find out how many items are there in my HashSet, because sometimes you may ask to count how many elements are there in the set, then you can use size method. So they are the very, very important methods. Those methods you can use in your program. Similarly, if you want to traverse, you can use just like our normal list how we are traversing. For string I, you can write it for traversing. For string, assume C is my car, cars is my set. From this set, I will get one by one. So system.out.println C. Then automatically I will get the list of cars. Okay. So try to remember these are the basic methods of a set. So for any application, you may use the commonly used methods. One is addition, second one is remove, clear, checking, contains, and size. These are the very, very frequently used methods. These methods, if you know, you can do at least the basic level programs. So advanced level programs, also you can use this program with extra methods. Of course, if you want to know what methods are there in my tree set or HashSet, what you will do? You can use the tool called Java P, Java dot, util dot. For example, I want to know HashSet. And if you press enter button, that will display what methods are there. At least you will know the name of the methods and what parameter it takes and what value it returns. Those things you will know with the help of this tool. So try to know the name of the tool. What is the name of the tool? Java P. It is a Java disassembler which will try to extract the methods from the class name. Next, another example of tree set. You can have 10, 23, 40, 25. These are what? Various items added. So first 10 is added because here tree set. Tree set means it will be arranging the data in a order. So 10, then 23, then 40, then 25, 10's right, 23, 23 side, 40, 40 left, 25. So it will be arranging like a binary set string. So while displaying, it will display as per what do you say, your order in order format, so that it will get the data in a order. So when you are printing, you can print it in a order, or when you call the iterator, this iterator will give you the data. So now I want to have descending order. Descending order means first the 40 comes, because here I am calling my descending iterator 40, 25, 23 and 10. So this way my data will be coming. Similarly, sometimes you may say retrieve or remove, retrieve and remove the first element. For that there is a method called poll first. Poll first means it will retrieve as well as remove the item from the poll. So which is the lowest value? The lowest is 10. So 10 will be removed. Similarly, poll last. Poll last means the highest value. The highest value is 40. 40 will be removed automatically. So it will display, retrieve as well as remove. Similarly, if you want to display the element, then always use descending iterator. This is the method which will give a sequence in a descending order. So now it will display this order. So 25 and 30. So whatever the elements are there, that will come. Simply if you write iterator, that will give you in the highest order, means ascending order. Anyway, I'll show you the example also. Another example, how to remove the duplicate elements, ignoring the duplicate elements. Here I am having a string of HashSet, set A, set B, set C. That means A is added, B is added. Again when A comes, A will be rejected because it is a duplicate. Duplicates not allowed. Similarly, C is not found, so add C. Now when you want to display, it is a normal set, it is not tree set. So what order will come, you do not know, whether it will come ABC or BAC or CBA, those things we are not aware. So it will display all items, but the order of displaying is not known because it is a normal set. In the case of tree set, you will get in the order. Now we'll see one more example where you can use addition, remove, all the basic methods. Add A, add B. So here I am adding A, then adding B, then remove A, then A will be removed from the set. Then I am creating another set. This is only set, and I am creating another set called set 1. In set 2, only B is there now. In set 1, some more elements. Set 1 E is there. So that means I am having two different sets. Now set dot add all set of 1. In that set, I am adding all set of set 1. So in set 2, I am adding all. There is one more method called add all, and take the element of set 1. So this E will be added here. So now this will become B comma E. B comma E. And whatever the elements you added, then finally everything is available here in the set. Set 1 is not changing. Set 1 will be as it is. Now remove all elements of set 1. So it will be removed everything. Now set 1 is empty. It is empty set. Now after removing, my set will be nothing is there. Now set dot clear. Set dot clear means this set will be clear. So now this set is also empty. So that means you can use clear method or you can use remove all method. Both methods are available. So after removing, the set will be also empty. So you can use any of the technique to clear the entire set. Okay. Now let us have a small program on this. I will go to my notepad. There. Control N. As it is related to collection, all the collection related classes and interfaces belongs to util package. So I will import first java.util.star. So if I write util.star, it will get all interfaces as well as classes which are available in the util package. Fine. Now class, let me have hash set demo. I want to have a small demo on HashSet. Public static void main string arguments array. Now here I want to maintain what? The set of items. For example, I want to store set of fruits name in a set. So first of all, what you have to do? Define HashSet. This is the name of the class. And whenever you are declaring HashSet, then it must be a generic one. It must be a generic one. In the generic one, you should specify what kind of data you want to store now. Let me store I want to store string type, then write string. If you want to store float, write float. If you want to store integer, write integer. So that means you can write anything. So based upon that data type, that corresponding object you can create. Fine. HashSet string HS is my name of object equal to, then you have to initialize new followed by HashSet. Here angle bracket is. So this is the way the set object is initialized. Now I want to add name, add some fruit name, because my goal is to store some fruits name. So how to add? HS dot add. Assume I want to store banana. Fine. So banana is added. Now again add one more. S dot apple. But internally how it stored we do not know. We are adding. The insertion order doesn't matter. Assume some pineapple. Because internally it maintains what? The hash table. In the hash table, it will be storing based on the hash code. So HS dot add some grape. So now, how many items are there? I want to count. So for counting the number of items, count number of items. For that, you can use the method called size method. That will give you the number of items available in the set. So let me print system dot out dot println the count. The count value I can get through HS dot size. So the size method will count how many items are there and what items are there. Those things, please remember, you cannot get through indexing. Okay, so indexings are not allowed. So now you can get through iterator. So let me get an iterator. Iterator IDR equal to my name of the set is HS dot iterator. Iterator is a method. This method gives you iterator object. Using this iterator, I can repeat. I can fetch one by one till end of the set. So for that, you can use a while loop. In the while loop, you can mention whether item exists or not. So ITR has next. This method gives you whether item exists or not. If exists, then display that item. System dot out dot println. Now I can say ITR dot next. So this method will display what items are there and that will display. So it will keep on repeating till end of the list. Now let us run. HashSet demo dot Java. Now my program saved in my folder. So I will go to my command prompt. Open info, CMD. Let me delete star dot class, whatever the classes already created, means the bytecode, remove. Now Java C HashSet demo. Yeah. Now program compiled successfully. There is no mistake in the program. Not Java. HashSet demo. Now compiled and now I want to run. Yeah. Now count is 4. Count is 4 means what? There are 4 items are there. What are the items? Apple, grape, pineapple, banana. See, actually I have added banana first, but banana came last. So that means it is not maintaining any insertion order. So while displaying, it is coming in random order. So you cannot say how it will come because internally it uses the hashing mechanism, the hash code. So using hash code, it will be storing in the hash table. So internally, it maintains a special data structure that is hash table. Now, let me ask a question here, whether this particular food available or not. If it is available, I should say available. Otherwise, I should say not available. So now, I will ask the user system.out.println enter a required fruit. Required fruit name. Required fruit name. Now when this message comes, you have to read it. How to read? Using scanner object. Let me define one scanner object. The scanner object also belongs to util package. Scanner sc equal to new scanner within bracket system.in. Okay. I got my scanner. Now I will read the fruit name. String fn is the fruit name equal to sc dot next. So next is the method which will allow you to read a string. Now this particular fruit name which is available in fn, this fn available in a set or not? If it is available, then I should say yes, available. So here I will put a condition. What condition? If hs dot contains fn, if that fn is available in HashSet, then I will say fruit form, else not found. Here I will say fruit form. Copy, paste. Fn in the name of the fruit, fn dot form. That means if the return value is true, then I'll say fruit form. Else, if it is false, go to else path. Then I'll say that not found. Here I'll say not found. Let me do this program. So that means here I have used method contains. So contains also a general method. So these are the frequently used methods. So in your application, mostly you will be using adding, checking whether item available or not, or count as well as to remove or clear all. These are the various methods, frequently used methods. So you should practice. Let me run. Yes, compile. Yeah, now they are asking enter the fruit name, required fruit name. Which fruit you want to check? Assume I want to enter banana. BANANA. It's a banana not found. Why? It is a case sensitive. Actually, I given there B uppercase, but it's saying while entering, I am entering lowercase banana. So when you are entering lowercase banana, it is saying that not found because my available data is uppercase banana. So that's why it is saying not found. So while entering, you have to give proper format. Let me give here now uppercase BANANA. Yeah, now it is found. It is found. Did you observe? So this banana found. Similarly, sometime I will say remove that item. If you want to remove, how to remove? If it is found, I want to remove it. So hs dot remove fn. So you can remove the fn. After removing, let me display. So after removing, I want to display the list. Means these are the various methods are there, you can use it. This the set of items. Set. Fruit set. I'll say fruit set. plus HS. Now fruit set, I got it. Yeah. Compile it. Assume I want to remove grep, GRAP. So grep is available. If it is available, it will say that yeah, grep found. Grep found. After that I removed. After removing, the set become this. So that means grep is removed. So if you want, you can say after removing, after remove, then you can say fruit set. Okay. Because you should not confuse it. Java C, HashSet. Yes. Now Java, HashSet, demo. Yeah. Assume I want to remove grep. Yeah. Now grep removed. Grep found and removed. So after removing, the set become this. So this is the way it shows. In the similar way, you can do other methods also. Assume you want to clear entire. So HS dot, there is a method called clear. So you can clear it. After clearing, what is the set? After clearing, I want to print it. After clear. Clear means it will remove everything. Now what is my set? After clear, the set is, this become one empty. So let us compile it, run it. Assume I want to remove pineapple. Yeah, after removing, this become empty set. So these are the various operations you have done in the set. So in future days, whenever you need to store only the unique elements, then you better go for HashSet. I think in this example, I have not used any duplicate. Yeah, I have used unique elements. Let me add one more apple also. HS dot add. Again, I will add apple. Once I add apple, the count, actually earlier count was how much? Earlier count was 4. Now I am adding 50 item, again apple only. So still then the count is 4 only. Now here I will write Control C. This is before, this is after. After duplicate also the count should be same. Now let us observe. Clear the screen. Compile it. Yeah. So before that count was 4. After duplicate also count is 4. So that means the apple is not added second time. Fine. So it is clearly says that duplicates are not allowed. But if you say that this apple, lowercase apple, if I add lowercase, then in that case, I will compile it. Yeah. Now, here, this lowercase apple and uppercase apple, both are there. That means it is a completely case sensitive because internally it maintains what? One hash code. The hash code is based upon your given input. So it is a completely case sensitive. Apple remove. Yes. So now, after removing apple, lowercase apple removed. So we got this uppercase apple. So this is the way it works. And you can do other operations also. Let me have one. Tree set TS. New. tree set ts sorry tree set. Here I'll pass my HashSet. Set angle bracket. Now iterator, fruit iterator fit equal to ts dot iterator. Now let me display this loop I put. My iterator name is, I am copying here, fit dot has next. If it is available, display the fit item. This is clearing. Now I am putting that value in tree set. So we are getting from tree set, from tree set. Control S, clear the scene. Yes, compiled it. Java HashSet demo compiled. Yes, the requested fruit name I want to delete. As in banana, I want to delete BANANA, banana. Yes. So from tree set, ts.tree set. Here I will pass my HS is my HashSet. I am passing this as a parameter. Compile it. The type cannot enforce type of this tree set. That means you cannot pass this as a parameter. So if you want to have, you can add this item to the tree set. So it is not allowed. Clear the screen. Java P, Java dot util dot tree set. So you can pass on the tree set, and you can have a comparator, or you can have a sorted set. So you can pass that element as a sorted. In tree set, HashSets are not allowed. So that means you cannot pass as a member to that. So these methods are not allowed. So these things are not allowed directly. So you can avoid this one. So this is the way you can do the sorting program. Similarly, I'll show you one more program. Already I have shown the demo here. Let me have this program for you. Control C, Control N, Control V. The tree set example. Here I'll remove this reverse one. REVRSCD, reverse. This method I will use later. You see the tree set example, how tree sets are used. Here I am passing one method. Let me stop this one also. Tree set followed by my method name, the tree set. A simple tree set. Okay, this method I have avoided. Apple, banana, orange, kiwi, grape. Now display the sorted elements. So after displaying the elements, how my elements are coming? That means you are sorting, sorting. Now see, the name of the class is preset example. Here, while saving, Ctrl S, preset example dot Java. Now let us run it. You can come to command prompt, clear the screen, Java C, preset example. Yes. So here you got one error, line number 17. Go to line number 17. In line number 17, there is an error. Double quote. Because when you are copying, the special quotations are not allowed. Yeah, compiled successfully. After compiling, now you can run it. Java, preset example. Yeah. Now you see apple, banana, grape, kiwi, orange. So it comes in a order. So whenever you want to have, okay, whenever you want to have sorted order, go for preset. Whenever you want to have a just random order, then go for normal HashSet. So special set is a preset. Now, if you want to have reverse order, that means reverse sorting, then you can have another way. It's iterator. So now, this is the, assume apple, banana, kiwi, grape. Now, assume I'll have one more fruit. Reverse set dot add. Assume pineapple. Now this is P should come as a KLMNOP. P should come last. Let me have banana last. See, if you observe this program, I am adding banana at the end. But when I am running, it should come in an order. Preset example. Compile it. Yes. Java. Preset example. Yeah. Now, if you observe here, I got apple, banana, grape, kiwi, orange, pineapple. So pineapple came last because the alphabetic order. If you want to have a reverse order, what you have to do? This method, I will take the iterator. The name of the object is reverse it. So I will say iterator ITR equal to the name of the set is refset dot iterator if I use this iterator, I am getting what? It's normal, means ascending order. So let me print the reverse, means a normal order. This is not reverse, this is normal, means ascending order. Ascending sorted sheet. Ascending sorted. So for that, what I'll do? I'll put a loop. So while ITR has next, if it is available, you come inside, then print it. So as next system dot out dot println ITR dot next. So this method you can call it. This is normal. Compile it. line number 23. This is my reverse set. Iterator ITR has this one. This method I called, and this iterator belongs to my util package. So I should import. So better instead of writing one by one, I'll put directly star itself. So when I'm calling star, everything will be applicable. Now let me compile. Yes. Yeah. Now I got same order. So you can get in the order also. Now if you want to have in the reverse order. So if you want to have a reverse order, you can use this reverse method, descending iterator. You can call this method. So to get the descending order, you can have like this also. Instead of normal iterator, you can call descending iterator. Let us check. Control C. Descending iterator. Iterator, reverse it. I am calling descending iterator. Control C. Here, descending iterator. So I'll say the reverse iterator. This is my iterator object. This iterator object will be getting data in the descending order. Okay. Descending order. Descending iterator. So because sometimes in the application you may ask either ascending or descending. Based upon the requirement, you can have to change. Clear the screen. Java C. Reset example. Yes. Java. Reset example. Yeah. Now descending order. Did you observe here? Descending order comes. First a pineapple came and at the end apple came. In the normal order, you got this. Apple. So depending on the requirement, you can use either iterator or descending iterator. So please remember, there are the various methods available under the tree set. So only iterator is normal ascending order. Descending iterator is descending order. This is ascending order. This is ascending order. Where this is descending order. So the name itself you can remember easily. But sometimes they may ask, instead of making alphabet, I want to apply with some special method called length. So based upon the length of the string, I should arrange. Whichever having more number of characters, that should come first. Whichever having less, it should come last. So that one I want to change. Now see, same program, I change. Control A, Control C. I hope this program clear. So try to know, create a set, then repeat a loop. If you write a loop, this is comes in normal. Okay, this is also normal ascending order. Then iterator technique is there, descending iterator is there. Both things are there. You can use any other things. Now let us have one more. Control N, Control V, same program. I will apply this reverse. This reverse method is there. So here I am comparing with this length. Now see, this portion I remove it. I don't want to have this one. Try to know that one. Apple is there, orange is there, kiwi is there, grape is there, pineapple is there, banana is there. But pineapple having length how much? 5, 4, 4 to 6, 3, 9. There are 9 letters. Here the length is 9. Length is 9. That means there are 9 letters. Whereas apple having APPLE. Here 5. Here orange having 6. So now here I am counting what? The number of letters. That is nothing but the length. Similarly grape having 5 letters. So now based upon the length, it should come. So for that you have to use a separate interface called comparator. In that there is a method called comparing. What is comparing? It is comparing the length of the item. because my item is a string type, those strings length I will take as input. So based upon the length, it will change, it will arrange. So now I want to print the strings, sort the string based on length. Based on length. Now see, here what I will do, reset length. Now I am based on the length I am doing, okay? Control C, Control S, reset length dot Java. So my program save, reset length. Now I'll Java C, reset length, okay, compiled successfully. Now Java reset length, compile it. Yeah, now it is compiling apple, banana, grape, kiwi, orange, pineapple. Reset. Sorry, this is not it. Fine. Now Control S, reset length. Yeah, first kiwi has come, then apple, then grape, then pineapple. So that means based upon the length it is coming. But if you want to get in the reverse order, first pineapple should come, then orange, then apple, then kiwi, because pineapple having 9 letters. If you want to have a reverse order, then you should use a method called reverse. This method you should use. Once you use this method, here dot length. Now this method will give you the data in the reverse order. Now check. In the reverse order. Compile it. Yes. Yeah. Now I am getting pineapple first, then orange, then pineapple. So by using this reverse method, you will be arranging the item based upon highest length. Okay. But if you remove this reverse, then comes in the reverse order. So this is the way you can do all types of set programs. So today you will learn about HashSet as well as preset, and all these things are available under util package. As well as one more thing you learn, it will not allow any duplicate elements. So try to practice this program, and whenever you need sorted order, better go for preset. Okay. So if you practice more programs, you will have more ideas, and try to know these are methods and what parameter you have to pass. So remember, for that you have to use the comparator method, means comparing method of the comparator class, and call this reverse method again for the data. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.